Did you know you can cook seafood with lemon and lime juice? Let's learn how, together. This is how to make ceviche with what's called an acid bath. First, let's dice up some cute little onions. Try not to cry. Next step, jalapenos. Give them a chop and a dice. Now for some cucumber. Do the cucumber dance. Great, got that out of the way. Cut them up. Man, these cucumbers never stop, do they? Moving on. Let's get the shrimp ready to go for their bath. Now, in order to cook seafood with an acid bath, you need a juice with a high level of acidity. And you can test this using pH paper, which reflects pH using this color scale. The lower the number, the more acidic the juice is. A pH of around 2 to 4 is good to use. This level of acidity will ensure that your seafood cooks safely. You're gonna wanna let it cook for about 1 to 2 hours. So, while that's cooking, let's prep the garnishes. Give the cilantro a haircut, hi-ya, and dice away. Give your mint a little pat on the back. We're doing it, baby! Now, for everyone's favorite, avocado.
Nice.
Wow, time flies fast. Let's grab that shrimp. You'll notice a color change to a more pale, cooked finish. Let's wrap this up. Add in all your ingredients and finish with a little salt and chili powder. Give it a good mix. Keep mixing. You're almost there. And voila! You've just made ceviche by cooking seafood in an acid bath. Enjoy!